Hey, what's going on, guys? John Erickson here. My dad jokes that I was born with a fishing rod in my hand. My grandpa Erickson, he used to twist his own flies back in the day. I grew up in the East Coast, lived down south, traveled Midwest, and now far west. Fishing down in San Diego is quite fun. There are a bunch of reservoirs down there. My brother lives there. We'll catch largemouth bass, rainbow trout, crappie, carp, catfish. But by far out here, the best fishing for bass is up at Clear Lake. Best one I caught up there, 11 pounder. I think the record was around 17 and change, 17 pounds. I've done a bunch of tournaments. To be honest, I've probably lost more than I've won, but done some good stuff out there. Anything over 10 pounds is good. You can catch dozens of 5, 7 pounders. It's a good day. Gosh, we use jerk bait, we use spinner baits, we use crank baits, we use rip baits. I mean, it depends on the season, depends on what the fish are biting, but you know how to fish and have a good time. And here's how I might look when I'm in the action.
So, we've obviously got termites.
Okay. Well, first, we gotta know what they're biting on. Bingo.
Now what?
Aw, man. It's called fishing, not catching. We wait.
What? I said get a pro. I did get a pro. An Orkin Pro. But, I got this.
That's right, that's right. I once caught a termite this big.
Go.
And it was jumping too.
So, we've obviously got termites.
Okay. Well, first we gotta know what they're biting on. Nailed it.
Now what?
Ah, man. It's called fishing, not catching. We wait.
What? I said get a pro. I did get a pro. An Orkin Pro. But, I got this.
There's this time. I caught a termite this big. Photo perfect.
Go.
All right, I'm going. That's right. And I once caught a termite this big. No joke. It was a winner.